cool. What is that?
It's a truck.
What is it? Santa gave you a truck?
Yeah.
Wow. You want to get in and try it?
Now where is it?
It's a truck.
I don't want it. Where is it?
Oh my god.
What's it come from?
You want to drive it? You remember how Landon's truck? Yeah, you drive Landon's truck?
Yeah, where is it?
You can drive this one.
This mine?
This is yours.
What's this?
It's a bow.
Santa left
Santa
it.
must have left you a bow. Want me to take it off?
Yeah.
Okay. Come
It's
here.
a firefighter car. Cool.
Yeah.
And look what's on the front right there. Remember that sticker you saw?
Yeah.
Santa must have put it on there. Get in and let's try it.
But where is it come from?
It came from the
Santa
North
brought it.
Pole, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this?
Here, get in the front seat.
What? Are you called cup?
There's a cup holder in it and everything.
It's got a shifter.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's a lot of room in that. Can you reach the pedal?
I can scoot the seat up. Whoa.
Wow. Oh, you're not.
You want to try it?
No.
Is it a little scary?
He didn't expect it to go forward.